Sa video na to, pag-uusapan natin is about building your own personal brand. So I'm Joms at nandito na naman ako para tulungan ka ma-conquer yung fear of rejection in order for you to attract genuine connections by mastering confidence. And sa video na to, pag-uusapan natin on why personal branding is effective and essential for making an impact na you can also use to gain money or to gain income from it. So, ano ba yung usually problem natin when it comes to personal branding? Number one is feeling invisible. Yung feeling mo walang papansin sa'yo. Pero, I'll make sure to you na normal lang na pakiramdam yun. Lalo na pag sisimula ka. Kasi ako, nung nagsimula rin ako, feeling ko wala namang makikinig sa akin. But, here I am today. Nakikita mo yung Facebook ko, yung IG ko, and also my TikTok. What I did was I just post things na interesado ko. Basically, parang ang ginawa ko is dino-document ko lang rin yung buhay ko. Number two is baka natatakot ka na baka mababa yung engagement mo sa social media. Now, meron tayong mga tinatawag mga trends na kapag bigla-bigla na nagbo-boom, bigla-bigla na nagva-viral. However, when you posting a lot of contents, dito mo malalaman kung ano ba yung mga gustong panoorin ng audiences mo. For example, sa TikTok, I started at fitness. So, I started at doing skits pala, comedy skits. So, titignan mo yung TikTok ko, scroll mo sa pinakababa, yung oldest video ko is about skits, comedy. And then, nagtry ako mag-post ng fitness video and dun siya nag-viral. So, doon mo makikita kung ano yung gustong panoorin ng audiences mo. So, that's why you need to post a lot. And hindi ang pag-post sa social media is 10% luck. And number 3 is if you feel na wala kang gustong ipakita or wala kang gustong i-share sa mundo or sa contents mo. So again, my suggest is just document your life. If your life is about personal improvement, you can document that one and i-share mo kahit saan, kahit kanino, without attaching yourself sa outcome. Ay, dapat mag-viral to. So you just do it just because you want to document your life, not para maging viral. So, ano ba yung negative impacts nito if you keep on not doing your personal brand or hindi pa kayo nagpa-personal brand as of 2024 ko ata i-release to 2024. Number 1 is you'll miss out a lot of opportunities. So, when you have a personal brand, kasi personal brand na yung gaming ngayon personal brand and also community. So, dito hindi na para kang mini celebrity. Ibig sabihin, people nowadays trust more yung mga hindi na artista because alam nila yung mga artista is binayaran na ng malaki in order for the product para i-endorse nila yung product. Pero if you're a normal na tao na parang medyo kampantayin nila na hindi na naman ganun kataas, is mas may trust sila sa'yo. So, mas maraming brands yung lalapit sa'yo. So, that's why nauso yung mga influencers, mga UGC, it's because of that. Number 2 is sayang naman yung impact na mabibigay mo. Because again, you only need to be one step ahead for those people na dating ikaw. For example, ako, hindi naman masyadong malaki yung katawan ko nun nung nag-share ako ng fitness video. Pero shinare ko yung workout routine ko. So yung mga katulad kong payat din, na gusto palang magsimula, is mas nakaka-relate sila kaysa sa mga mas malalaki na yung muscle kaysa sa akin. And number 3 is, sayang yung mabibuild mong audience. So, with personal brand, ang goal mo dito is makabuild ng audience. However, i-detach mo yung sarili mo dun na, okay, magpo-post ako for the sake na dapat i-share ko lang kung ano yung mga nalalaman ko. Kaysa kasi pag nag-share ka based on the goal na, okay, i-share ko to para lumami yung followers ko. Kapag hindi nag-viral yung video mo, most probably, mawawalan ka rin ng gana. So, but if you're sharing just because you want to influence people or you want to share or document your life, then wala ka nang pake sa magiging views niyan. Alright? So, ano ba importance ng pagkakaroon ng strong personal brand? Is number 1 is you can elevate your career. Number 1, career and also relationship. So, kapag ikaw ay may nakabuo ng small followings, this will elevate your dating life. Kasi kapag nakita nila na nakipagpalitan ka ng IG or nakipagpalit ka ng socials, makikita nila, uy, mini celebrity, ang daming followers nito. Social proof na agad yon that people trust you. So, why not? Bakit siya hindi magtitiwala sa'yo? So that's another thing about having a personal brand, aside from having a income na you can generate income from. So, ang benefits ito is number 1, so you attract more opportunities. Number 2, magkakaroon ka ng audience. And number 3 is magiging more confident ka about yourself and your identity. Plus, your dating life will go up to the roof. So, yun lang. If you want to start your personal brand, I want you to start with one video at a day or one video every after day. And then, i-discuss nyo lang kung ano yung mga bagay na interesado kayo or i-document nyo lang yung life nyo. Di ba, mahilig ka lang mag-story sa IG? O gawin mong video yun. Ganun lang. So, see you in the next video. I hope this helps. I hope this helps about building your personal brand. So, yun lang. Let's go.